Some years are counted in calendars, some in goals achieved, but then there are years you don't measure at all. You feel them in quiet mornings, in shared laughters, in the moments that slowly, silently become you. At Ennoble IP, this year was not built only in meeting rooms or milestones. It was built in conversations that mattered, in teamwork that did not clock out, in belief, quite consistent and shared. Because before brands, before achievements, there were people. We celebrated not just outcomes but effort, not just success but togetherness. Festivals that brought color, milestones that brought pride, and moments that reminded us we never walked this journey alone. This year, Ennoble IP crossed more than our targets. We crossed comfort zones, we crossed expectations, we crossed into a stronger version of ourselves, not by chance but by commitments. Every journey has a beginning. Ours began with a belief that knowledge should empower, that ideas deserve protection, and that people matter most. At the heart of Ennoble IP is a leader who did not just build a company but built a culture rooted in trust, guided by integrity, and driven by purpose. Meet our one and only CEO and founder of Ennoble IP, Dr. Shweta Singh.
When I started Ennoble IP, it wasn't built on resources, neither a big office or a large team. It was built on belief. A belief that innovation in India deserves a stronger and a global voice. From a single table and a dream to an organization that now stands strong across borders. This journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. But let me say this clearly. I did not build Ennoble IP alone. We built it. We built it together. So every challenge we faced, every milestone we achieved, every moment we chose resilience over doubt, we did it together. This team, this family is the true heartbeat of Ennoble IP, and every success we celebrate today belongs to each one of us. And as we step into a new year, the dream becomes bigger, the responsibility becomes greater, and our commitment is stronger than ever. So, may this new year bring renewed purpose, bold ideas, meaningful impact, and shared success for all of us. Thank you for believing in my vision. Thank you for turning the purpose into progress. And thank you for making Ennoble IP not just a company, but a legacy where we are building together. Wishing you and your loved ones a very happy new year filled with growth, gratitude, and new possibility. And as we step into this next chapter, remember the story of we has just begun.
On June 28th at Bangalore, Karnataka, a date that marked more than a launch. It marked a movement, Innovasthan, a Vichar to Vikas Yatra.
This inspiration was especially for me, a woman who is driving this mission. There are lakhs of Shweta Singh, but only one push is required to everyone.
Innovasthan was not introduced, it was ignited. A promise to nurture ideas, to empower innovation, to build impact across classrooms, campuses, and communities of India. True leadership sees beyond borders, but never loses sight of purpose. At Ennoble IP, our global vision is guided by clarity, consistency, and a belief that impact must be meaningful. Introducing the Director Global Operations of Ennoble IP, Mr. Kushal Juneja.
This year challenged us to think bigger, act sharper, and stay deeply aligned with our purpose. Ennoble IP crossed milestones, yes, but more importantly, we built clarity around where we are going and why it matters to us. As a global organization, our responsibility extends beyond borders. We are here to protect ideas, empower innovation, and create impact that lasts. I'm proud of what we have achieved together this year and even more confident about what lies ahead in the coming year. We are Ennoble IP and Happy New Year to all.
Growth demands courage. And this year, Ennoble IP chose evolution, a new identity, a clearer voice, a bolder vision. Ennoble IP 2.0, rooted in legacy driven by innovation. And then in October, a new beginning was carefully formulated. Not from trends, but from research. Not from promises, but from proof. Hashi was created where science leads and care follows. Built to strengthen the skin, respect its rhythm, and work with its intelligence. Because real innovation does not rush results, it earns trust. Behind every milestones are voices that believe, hands that supported, hearts that showed up every single day. This year was not shaped by one role or one title. It was shaped by us, by people, our seniors, our juniors, our team members, and our family.
We give ideas direction so innovation never loses its way.
Behind every patent is our hard work and our pride.
Here, people are not employees, they are our family.
We don't stand behind the stage. We run entire show.
We fight for ideas because every idea deserves protection.
This was not just a year, it was a chapter. Written by belief, built by people, and powered by purpose. Here is to the journey we lived and the future we are creating. And now, we stand at the edge of a new year, grateful for everything that shaped us, proud of everything we built, hopeful for everything that awaits us. 2025 did not just teach us how to grow, it reminded us why we started. With trust, with courage, with people at the center of every purpose. As we welcome a brand new year, we promise to keep listening, keep learning, and keep building together. Happy New Year 2026 from the entire Ennoble IP family. Here is to the new beginnings, new ideas, and a future we will create as one.